Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for one of the best compact drones on the market, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is an incredible choice. Weighing less than 249 grams, this lightweight drone packs professional-level features into an ultra-portable design, making it perfect for travel, photography, and content creation. The biggest highlight is its 48MP camera capable of recording stunning 4K HDR video. Whether you're filming landscapes, travel vlogs, real estate, or cinematic footage, the Mini 3 Pro captures sharp details, vibrant colors, and smooth stabilized video thanks to DJI's advanced 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Pause. Another standout feature is tridirectional obstacle sensing. With sensors on the front, rear, and bottom, the drone can detect obstacles and help avoid collisions while flying. Combined with advanced pilot assistance systems, OPUS 4.0, flying becomes much safer, especially for beginners. The included DJI RC controller features a built-in bright touchscreen display, so you don't need to connect your smartphone before flying. This makes setup faster and allows you to start capturing amazing footage within seconds. With up to 34 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of time to explore, record cinematic shots, and capture memorable moments. Features like Focus Track, Active Track 4.0, Master Shots, Hyperlapse, Quick Shots, and true vertical shooting make creating professional-looking social media content easier than ever. Pause. Safety is another major advantage thanks to Return to Home, which automatically brings the drone back if the battery gets low, the signal is lost, or you activate the feature manually. The drone is also FAA Remote ID compliant, helping pilots meet current U.S. drone regulations. Overall, if you're looking for a lightweight drone with outstanding camera quality, intelligent flight features, and exceptional portability, the DJI Mini 3 Pro remains one of the best drones you can buy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.